Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Panlasang Pinoy coleslaw. We'll start by preparing our fresh vegetables, ensuring they are perfectly shredded for the best texture. Then, I'll guide you through mixing a simple yet flavorful dressing that brings everything together. This recipe is quick, easy, and a fantastic side dish for any meal. Let's get cooking. First, let's get our vegetables ready. For that classic coleslaw crunch, finely shred 1 medium head of green cabbage. Next, grate 2 large carrots. This adds both color and sweetness. Finally, thinly slice 1 small red onion. Remember, uniform cuts ensure every bite is perfectly balanced. Combine these in a large bowl, ready for the dressing. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this coleslaw recipe, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious content. And speaking of refreshing, a quick recommendation. Stay hydrated while cooking with the fantastic Owala water bottle. It keeps your drinks perfectly cold, just like a chilled coleslaw. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the heart of our coleslaw, the dressing. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar until smooth. Stir in 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finish with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. This creates a perfectly balanced, creamy and tangy dressing that complements the fresh vegetables beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.